Well, today is May 29th. It's 09:20 a.m. and we're sliding along in little or no wind, a little bit of just a breath from the northeast, east-northeast. You can hear the sails banging, but we're able to maintain a course of approximately north-ish. And I'm drinking the last cold beer. Last cold beer.
What time is it?
I already said that, 09:20.
The last cold beer at 9:20 in the morning.
Actually, it's the only cold beer because the only beer that made it into the cooler before we left on what day was that? The morning of the 26th. So it's the only cold beer, and I knew it was there. I was just waiting to get sufficiently over my seasickness to enjoy it, and it's still cold enough to enjoy. Yeah, in this. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's pretty warm out here in the sun, in the tropical sun. We're still in the tropics in the daytime, but at night we're wearing fleeces because it's cool, even without the wind. And we've just been bobbing along out here, enjoying life, eating fresh tropical fruits while they last. We had papaya for breakfast, been eating bananas, just enjoying ourselves out here.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
What do we have for breakfast this morning? What did we have for breakfast this morning? We had the most awesome French toast and scrambled eggs with maple syrup and peanut butter. It was so good. Everything tastes great out here, though. You'll find. The food tastes great. You always have a good appetite, even after your third or fourth day of seasickness. Well, as you can see, it's pretty like a painted ship upon a painted sea, glassy, smooth, and not a breath of air. We got some weather around us, and hoping for some wind out of the northeast, which is where it's supposed to come. But the forecast was for diminishing trade winds. It was supposed to be 15 knots and then diminishing after Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. Today's the 29th of May. But we expected diminishing winds, and we also expected rain showers. These aren't, Gilligan's Island storms. These are just little rain showers, little tropical showers. And we hope they'll bring us a little wind from the northeast to give us a little push so we can get out of here. Yeah, even Mr. Scott's having trouble keeping a compass heading, so I'm having to give him a break. I'm not doing that well myself. At 12:20 p.m., 12:20 hours on May 29th. Our noon position, 2423 north latitude, 160.30.04 longitude. Very light wind from the northeast. And we're about to have some lunch. Mr. Scott is steering us nicely and keeping our compass heading. Mr. Scott, hello. Oh, nope, that's Laura. There's Mr. Scott out there on the tiller. My lovely wife, Laura. And our lovely lunch.
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. Yum. Here's a chart of the Hawaiian Islands. We're off the chart. We won't be using a chart again for a while. We're just going to be recording our longitude and latitude. Then when we get up to about 48 north, we're going to hang a right Actually, before then, we expect to pick up some westerlies and be carried over the top of the North Pacific High at about the latitude of Cape Flattery. And we're going to enter the Straits of Juan de Fuca. And I think we're going to sail straight to Lopez Island, aren't we?
I think so.
Is that the plan? Straight to Lopez Island?
Straight to Lopez Island.
All right.
Maybe get in a couple days early. And,
Get a shower.
hot shower. And
Although-
breakfast at that really good
restaurant there at
Really
Lopez
good
Island.
restaurant,
Yes, for the
Lopez
breakfast place. Oh, it was awesome. But we had a great shower this morning.
I had an awesome shower this morning. The squall that we had coming up, we had just enough rain that I was got to have a full shower, hanging out in the cockpit, sudsing up, rinsing off, and it was really nice to know that there was nobody around for miles peeking. So pretty cool. Mahoney Lake. Of course, that's going to be edited.
Yes, of course. And now, lunch. Chips and salsa. And with, we have fresh avocados in there, and fresh tomatoes mixed in with the canned salsa. It's not actually canned salsa. It's mango salsa
With peach.
with peach. Wow. Yum, yum. Okay.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship.